Hello everybody, this is Danny from Deep South Homestead, bringing you a review today on a particular product that we've requested. You know guys, in the world we live in today, security is everything. And as many of y'all know, Wanda and I just finished a special weapons training course so that we can get a permits, and along with that, we're going to be showing you some different things we're doing to create security here on our place, because we believe that in the future this is something that's really going to be needed for each and every homestead out there. Now here today we're going to talk about a particular product. It's made by Conbrov. It's a mini spy camera. It is they call it it's a 1080p hidden spy camera. This is a Conbrov 1080p, as you can see there, mini hidden spy camera. It's a really small product here. It has super night vision. Now that's one thing we liked about it. It has super night vision, and it also has a motion sensor that goes with it. Now, it is it's fully HD, 1080p, compatible with a lot of different things. Okay, the night vision has a range of 33 feet. The sensitive motion detection range of it is about 16 feet, which makes it perfect to use inside the home. If you need it in a hallway or inside one of the rooms in the house or something like that. It has a 360-degree complete rotation on it. We'll talk about that in a minute. 6 hours of continuous daytime recording, it says, and 3 hours of night vision recording. It has a maximum of a 1-year warranty, motion detection standby mode time. So you can set it for a long period of time. Now I'm going to actually take this thing out of the box here. I've got to get it up where you can actually see it. It comes packaged really kind of nice. It slides out of the box. This is just a paper cylinder around it. It comes outside the box. Comes with a 15% off of any more Conbrov products. Okay, on your next Amazon order. Wow. Comes with some cards here. Let's see what they say. One Conbrov says, leave us a review on the channel and we will send $1. We'll donate $1 to UNICEF. Then you get a Conbrov VIP card. It says it's for free software. You get priority support. There's a list of different things here. If you become a Conbrov member, you can get a free SD card for your new product. So that comes in it. So let's just look at it here. Now we'll bring this back up. This is the way it comes packaged. It comes packaged in a little small. Let's see how small this thing is, guys. It's kind of tiny. Get it out. Wow. It's a mini little camera. It is tiny. I mean, you see how small it is in my hand here? It's kind of tiny. There's the front on it there. It has a little clear coating over it there to keep from getting the lens all dirty. Now, let's see. Go back into this box here. As you see the box, the top comes out of it. And down in it, we have what we see here to be a magnetic stand on it, okay? You peel the back off of here. It has a little sticky back on it. It's kind of hard for me to hold it. It's so tiny. There we go. It's a magnet. The camera sticks to it. Maybe I can hold it better this way. And it mounts. This part right here has a sticky. You peel off the back of it and you just stick it on something. And this here can actually swivel around 360 degrees in any direction, up, down, all kind of different ways. So we see we got that. It comes with its own little micro USB 2.0 thumb drive there. And let's see, we got a In it, we get a little cord with a USB cable on it that actually hooks up to the camera. And I'm guessing that's to charge it with, because it does have a battery in it. And then there is a little, let's see here. Comes with a little operating manual in it there that tells you how this thing operates. Tells you all the modes that comes with it there. Now let's see here. It gives you information about how to charge the camera. You can either charge it with a, if you have a plug-in that goes in the wall to hook the USB cable into, then plug this into the camera like you use on a cell phone or something like that. And you can charge it that way, it says, or you can plug it directly into the computer. You can charge it that way. And let's see, it gives you information on how to format the SD card. It does take a mini SD card in it, which it does not come with, I don't think, because I don't see one in it here. If the camera malfunctions for any reason, there's a reset button. And in the pack here, this little pack right here, you get a little tiny, I don't know if I can get that where you can see it, but it's a little tiny pin. It's got a little point on it right there. And you punch that in a hole in the camera to reset the camera if you have any kind of malfunctions on it. So it's like or it says here that a paper clip will do the same exact thing. So you might want to use that. And it gives you all the information in his little book here about how to set it up, how to use it, how to get your data off of it, you can change it from just strictly being a camera to a motion detection camera, it looks like. You can set it for 3 different parameters. It talks about that. I mean, it's just a fantastic little camera. We're going to be using this on our place here. That's how it mounts. This end right here, actually, this is a magnet. It sticks onto the back of the camera. This is, you set it in any position you need it in. And this camera literally sets up, you can put it, like I said, in any little inconspicuous place, up in the corner of a room, in a dark spot, kind of shining out where it's not noticeable, and it records anything. You can set it for motion, or you can set it just to video all the time, and it does so much, 6 hours of daylight, 3 hours of nighttime recording of anything that moves. And it says it's full HD night vision, so that's a good thing. We're going to be using this here on our property. Now, we're not going to disclose the location where we're putting it, because that would be kind of stupid for us to do that. But guys, Conbrov has some very good cameras for being kind of hidden, secret stuff. As a homestead here, we feel like that safety and guys, the way the world's getting today, let me just be honest about it, the way the world's getting today, it pays to have some types of security. Now, we have security everywhere on our property here, but we're always adding security to our property. We don't ever feel like there's going to be too much. I mean, we're going to be doing some other reviews and some about some other different products that we're going to be installing. These are things that we've requested just simply for protection. And not only is it that, I mean, you could put it in your shop, you could put it anywhere, anywhere on your property that you needed to record what goes on. And we may use this thing in a lot of different locations on our homestead here, because we have, like, it comes birthing time, to see what, if we're not there for our animals, to see what goes on during the birth. Anything that's fully motion like that, we may put it in a barn for that. We might keep it in the house here for, intruders. We may put it in the shop for intruders. I mean, it could be There's a number of places we could use this, and we may even request some more of them to go on the homestead here, because we really do we really do want to make sure that everything here is as secure as possible, because in our eyes you can't have too much security in the world that we live in today. So the Conbrov Mini H 1080p hidden spy camera, super night vision, and motion sensor, guys. This is a box that came in right here. It's a jam up little thing to have. The camera's not very, very big. You see how small it is in my fingers here? It's tiny. And that's what we like about it. It's not noticeable. You can hide it in places that's very inconspicuous. And we think that this is the kind of stuff that's going to really make our homes more secure. Should there be a problem, we're able to go back and pinpoint exactly what happened. You know, if it was an intruder, who it was, what they look like. You know, all this kind of stuff will be recorded on this little camera right here. In the description down below, there'll be a link to that. We'll show you there where you can pick up one if you're interested in it, if you live in an area where you think that you might need one. And it's not that we live in a bad area, it's just that we believe in taking precautions here at Deep South Homestead. So guys, we're going to be doing some reviews in the future because we've requested some things. Don't get frustrated with us. These are things that we're looking into because of the world we live in and the kind of situation we're going to be heading into. Some products that we think might benefit your homestead as well as ours, because we are securing our homestead with several different devices for the upcoming future. And guys, I hope you'll do the same thing for yourself. And thank you from Deep South Homestead.